Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my everyday makeup look. I know you guys have been asking for it for a really long time, so I finally recorded it. So if you want to see how I get my everyday look and what products I use, then stay tuned. Okay, first we're going to start off with eyebrows. I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. I use mine dried out, I let it dry out, and then I just add water when I use it, so it gives a more natural effect and it's not so like dark. I start off with the tip of my brow and then go all the way to the tail, shading it in super lightly so it's not dark, and I just make it more like natural if possible. And then you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, now we're gonna go in with concealer. I just use a concealer brush and I just go all the way from the front all the way to the tail, just so I can clean up my brows, get rid of the excess product, and just make them nice and sharp. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then you're gonna go on the top and clean it up as well. Okay, now we're going to do eyeshadow. First I start off with the concealer and put it all over my lids as a base. This helps keep the eyeshadow on all day as well as bring out all the colors so they're like nice and vibrant. First we're going to go in with this shade right here, and you're going to put it all in your crease and just blend it up. You're then going to go in with this shade and also put it in your crease and just do the same thing and just blend it up on both sides. I then go with this little darker shade and also put it in the crease, but focus it more on the outer edges of your eye. You're then going with these two chocolate shades and you're going to put it on the outer edge of your eye and just blend it up. And then you're just going to take a fluffy brush and just blend everything out. You're then going to go with this darker chocolate shade and also put it in the outer edges as well as your crease to create more dimension. Okay, go ahead and blend it with a fluffy brush until everything is all nice and blended out. Then I'm going to go in with the Becca highlighter in Opal. I use this all over my lids and I put some eye drops to help bring the pops of color out. And then go ahead and blend everything out so there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to use my Sephora eyeliner in black. It's waterproof so it stays on all day, and the tip is like perfect so you can get a nice pointy wing. And I'm just going to start off making a line on my eyelids and then bring it out towards the wing. And then I'm going to go in with mascara. First I'm going to use a lengthening mascara just so my eyelashes are like nice and long, and then I'm going to go with this thicker, more like fluffier mascara and just make them nice and fluffy. I'm going to use this thinner mascara and put it on the bottom lashes. And then I'm going to go with foundation. I use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I just put that all over my face. I usually go in with a brush first, and then I just take a sponge and just press it all in so there's no harsh lines from the brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild contour stick and just put that all over my forehead so it makes my forehead look smaller, and put it on my cheekbones so I can have some cheekbones as well. And then I'm going with my Hoola bronzer and just bronze up my face. I put it all over my forehead and on my cheekbones. And just blend everything out. And then I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. contour shade. It's actually from my eyebrow kit, but I just like this shade because it's perfect for my skin tone, and I just put that on my forehead and on my cheekbones to create more dimension. And I'm gonna take this flat brush and just blend everything out so there's no weird lines and everything just looks nice and blended. Then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my face. I'm gonna put it under where I just contoured and put it under my eyes so it's nice and bright. I also put it by my nose and on my chin. And then all the excess left over, I just tap it into my forehead and wherever else on my face. While that's baking, you're gonna take and do your lips. I just used 2 different lip pencils. The first one is like a light brown and I just outline my lips with it, and then I'll go in with like a nude pink and just fill it in. I'm gonna take just a light pink lipstick. This one's a cream, so I just put it in the middle just for some extra color. I'll then go in with concealer and just clean up my lips, making them nice and perfect. And then after everything and after you're done with all that, you're going to take a brush and just wipe off all the powder that is all set so your face can be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you want to see from me next. And thank you again for everyone who watches my videos. I love you so much for that. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.